In this clip, we're going to use a number line to help us visualize what happens when we add integers. Suppose I'd like to represent 5 plus -8. I can represent the 5 starting at 0. I can count on my number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So that represents my positive 5. And then adding -8 means I'm going to go 8 spaces in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces in the negative direction. And we see that we arrive at -3. So 5 plus -8 is equal to -3. Let's pause here for just a second and note that -8 is the larger absolute value, which means that this span is going to be larger, and overall our answer is going to end up being negative. We end up with -3 when we add different signs, a positive and a negative, and this has the larger absolute value. We end up with a negative answer. Let's look at one more sample. This time we're going to add 2 negatives. So to represent -2, I'm going to go 2 in the negative direction, which puts me at -2. Then I'm adding -4, which means I'm going to get more negative. So I'm going to go 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the negative direction, and I wind up at -6. Thus, if I add 2 negatives, my result is going to end up being more negative and leave me with, in this case, a -6. This way, we can use the number line to help us visualize what's happening when we add integers. Thank you.